Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your site homepage in Google Sites. This website is built using Google Sites, and as you see, the homepage is this page with this reservation button. And let's say I want the homepage to be this page with this address. So how to do this? It's simple. Just go to sites.google.com. Then open the site you want to change the home page on. And as you see, this is my current reservation page. Now to make this new page with this address, location address, the home page, it's simple. Go to the Pages tab. And here next to the page that you want to make as the home page or use as the home page, click on these three dots and select Make Home Page. And just like that, it was switched from now my home page or the first page is the new page. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger, Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. And just like that, it was switched from now my home page or the first page is the new page. Don't forget to hit this publish button. Click on publish again. And now let's open my domain name. And as you see, my domain name starts, or my Google Sites website uses this new page as the home page. And of course, the home page, it's still existing. Of course, I can delete it from here. I can rename this new page. Let's show you how to do this. Simply go to click on yes next to the current home page. Click on these three dots and select properties. Here I can call it, for example, home page, like that. Click on done, and next to the old home page I can delete it from here or simply hide it from navigation. This way it was still existing on your website but not showing on the navigation. Of course, publish this change. And now let's refresh my website. And as you see, the home page, it uses this, my bad. Now it shows the recent changes. As you see, my domain name, yes, my website homepage is this new page, and it was renamed here in the navigation, and the old home page, it's hidden from navigation. And this is how to change your site homepage in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.